If you're really stiff and tight in the hamstrings and the lower back, I've got a series of stretches that are going to help fix that. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a strap, and what I've done here is I've clicked together two straps off a sports bag. Another thing that you could use that you'll have at home could be a dressing gown cord, maybe some business ties that you don't like anymore, that you don't wear anymore, anything that's going to make it easier for you to reach your leg. So what we do is we lay down, start off with both legs bent. Raise one leg up in the air and put the strap over the foot. So we hold on to both ends of the strap, trying not to hunch up the chest and shoulders. We draw the leg in towards the body until you feel that noticeable stretch sensation running from behind your knee down to your hip. It's important that you maintain good breathing, and if it's really uncomfortable, you can move the leg away and then bring it back in. So that's called a dynamic release for the muscle. Now, when you've established the point where you can hold the stretch, it's noticeable, there's no pain, it's a little bit uncomfortable though, then lengthen out the underneath leg. Now that's going to make the stretch much more challenging. We're going to stretch out the outside of the thigh now. So you transfer both ends of the strap into the opposite hand to the leg that's in the air. Take the same arm as the leg out to the side, and that's your anchor now. So you're going to press the back of your arm into the floor. Now bring the leg over the body till you feel the stretch running from the outside of your hip, down the side of the thigh and across the knee. Again, you can move it out of the maximal stretch position and then back in. Remember to breathe. This one can be a little bit uncomfortable. We're stretching out what's called the ITB, the iliotibial band. That runs down the side of your thigh. Now, we're going to stretch out the inside of the thigh now. So change the strap, same arm as leg. We create that anchor with the other arm, and we open the leg out to the side till we feel the stretch running down the inside of the leg. Try not to let your pelvis lift up. See if you can keep your pelvis down. Move the leg back towards the center of the body and then open out again. Hold the stretch at its maximal point, breathing deeply. Okay, then you bring the leg back, take the strap off, and then I always like to bring both knees back up onto the chest. Then you're going to repeat that on the other side. Now, when you're trying to improve your flexibility, see if you can hold the stretches for about 60 seconds, so that it's like 5 breaths with a slow inhalation and a slow exhalation. And that way, those muscle fibers are really going to start to lengthen out. So see if you can do this little series every day, I'd recommend, and maybe in the evening when you're warmer because you've been moving around during the day doing your daily tasks.